Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well. I know it has been some time. So basically this lockdown that we've been in for many months now, it's just really getting to me, and I've just not had the motivation or the inspiration to even do a makeup look, because I've just felt that every day has just rolled into one. I'm a key worker, so I work every day. I work 5 days a week. Come days off, I don't really want to do anything, which isn't how it should be. I should be up and be like, yeah, let's get a makeup done, let's do things that I like to do. But I just feel like now my hobbies are becoming chores that are just trying to fill the space, so I can't go out, because obviously we can't go out anywhere. So yeah, I am trying now to get myself back motivated and find some inspiration. So today I'm going to try a beauty look and just see how I go, and hopefully see if it gives me the kick up the backside that I need to get some more content out there for you guys. But yeah, it's just a beauty look today, nothing creative, just so I can in a way ease myself back into it. But yeah, let's hope and pray that it does, because I have had over the past few days thought, should I keep up with this YouTube? Is it going to get me anywhere? Like, I did the looks, obviously, the gaming one, the Game of Tsushima, the Ghost of Tsushima, sorry, and the Nemesis one. Me and Dan both thought, oh yeah, these will get loads of views, we'll get loads of subscribers, but unfortunately hardly anything, and we didn't get what we thought would come out of it. So yeah, it's just a bit of a bummer really. But I'm going to try today to just kick my backside into it, see if I can get my creative side flowing again, and fingers crossed it will. So yeah, anyway, I'll stop rambling on and we'll just get to it. So let's start with the eyebrows. So here is the finished look, guys. Well, I've tried. I don't know if I like it. I think I do. I love these lashes, dead long though. But yeah, this is the first video back in a while, so I am slowly trying to get back into it. So we'll see how I do, fingers crossed. Keep fingers crossed. That I do get back into it, guys. But yeah, if you want, just hit me up in the comments, give me some good feedback and say like if you want me to keep going. If you don't, then fair enough, but just keep me going, guys. I'm gonna love you and leave you and see you in the next video. Bye.